Hi, I'm Sanjna Sivakumar. I run the brand Sweet Cravings and Taiko. What started off as a passion project about 12 years ago is now my full-time business. The name Taiko is from Japanese culture. It's basically a music instrument in Japan. I was heavily influenced by the Japanese culture on one of our travels. Because of that, I made sure that I use one of their names to my brand. So in the cafe start பண்ணி 2 months ஆச்சுங்க. Since இது ரொம்ப உள்ள இன்டீரியர்ல இருக்கறனால the main concept is to have a garden cafe, ஒரு quiet and calm surroundingல. நான் நினைச்சதை விட ரொம்ப நல்ல ரெஸ்பான்ஸ் கிடைச்சது. A lot of working professionals come and sit here and work. A lot of students வந்து இங்க அவங்களோட அசைன்மெண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் பண்ணிட்டு இருப்பாங்க. அதெல்லாம் பார்க்கும்போது எனக்கு ரொம்ப ஹாப்பியா இருக்கும். So when I wanted to start my first outlet, I wanted not just ice creams in the menu, I also wanted a lot of cakes and savouries. That's when I started this cozy little cafe in Krishnaswamy nagar. The cafe is open from morning 11 a.m. to evening 7 p.m. Come visit us at Krishnaswamy nagar. I'm sure you'll enjoy our food and our ambience.